Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Wink on any computer, laptop or any Windows operating system. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. For mining Wink, you need a good hardware components, fast internet connection and a Wink validators. So keep watching this video till the end and learn how to mine Wink on your Windows operating system. Simply, I will open the browser. Before navigating to the mining process, navigate to Into Crypto, check out the mining tutorials, Binance tutorials and other kind reviews. Because every day we are uploading different kind of videos about cryptocurrency, about mining and about other cryptocurrency updates. So here for the mining Wink, open a new tab and type unmineable.com. Unmineable.com is a tool which you can mine different coins and tokens on your Windows operating system. As you can see that here is Wink is available. So step by step I will show you how to mine Wink on your computer. Simply I will minimize this, go to the desktop, create a new folder and type it Wink. Once you have created the folder, click on the Windows security, click on the virus and threat protection, click on the manage settings, click on add or remove exclusion, add an exclusion, select the folder, go to the desktop, select the Wink folder, and now Wink folder is added to the Windows exclusion part. Why we are adding? Because directly if we should download the unmineable miner, the Windows security will delete it automatically. We are creating a folder excluding with the Windows security and we are directly downloading the unmineable miner from this website to the folder that we are excluded with the Windows security. Simply again I will open the browser, click on the download section, right click on this and download it with the IDM, or you can save the link. Here click on this three dot, select the desktop, select the Wink folder, click on save and start download. As you can see that it is save and start downloading the unmineable miner. So as I have already downloaded, there is no need to download it again. Simply I will cancel the download, minimize this, go to the miner, copy this and paste it to the Wink folder. As you can see that unmineable miner is now completely saved. Right click and extract here. Once the unmineable miner successfully extracted, double click to open it. So here is the unmineable. You can see the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite non-mineable and some mineable coins. So click on the continue. Here you can select your mining hardware, whether you are mining with the GPU or whether you want to mine with the CPU. So simply I will continue with the CPU. Here you have to type the name of token that you want to mine. Simply I will type Wink. Click on this. Here you have to enter your wallet address. I'm using my Binance exchange. If you don't know how to create wallet address, so simply I will provide you the link in the below down description. Also there is another method you can use your decentralized platform, like there is Trust Wallet. If you don't know how to download and install Trust Wallet on your Windows operating system, I will provide you the link in the below down description. Check the below down and learn how it. So I will open the browser, go to the Binance, here copy this and paste it here. Once you have pasted the address, the start button will appear, so click on start to start mining Wink. Right now we are on the mining window. You can check your last 24-hour reward, the total paid, and there is the last payment now, and here is the payouts from 1900 Wink. So if you want to bring changes to the mining setting, click on this option. Here you can select your mining intensity, like there is set a custom worker name, set a custom referral link. Here you can see that select your mining intensity. As I've already selected the high option, so you can select the low option whenever you are running this on the background. So if you want to bring any changes, simply click on save and restart. Here you can see it starts perfectly mining Wink, and the hash rate you can see 785 hash rate. If you want to check the status of the mining, click on this option to open the unmineable.com. Here you can check the workers, the payments, the referral code, and here is the status. If you should share your referral code with your friends or with other people, you will see that here is the share your referral code to earn 0.25% of referrals mining reward passively. If you should click on this, you can see that our 1% fee is now dynamically divided in 3 parts. If you give your referral code to other miners, you will get 0.25% from all their mining rewards. And here is, if you set up your workers with another miner's referral code, you get 0.25% free reduction, 0.75% free down from 1%. The last 0.5% of the fee goes to the platform instead of 1% fee. So this is the referral program. If you should share your referral, you will earn 0.25% of the mining reward. So guys, you can see it's perfectly mining Wing token or coin on my computer or laptop that currently I'm using. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.